Hi students, this is Mrs. Alonso, and I'm going to be recording your end of unit test on Desmos. Please have a notebook in front of you and or pencil paper where you can write out these problems and do the work. Feel free to pause this video after I read each question, so that way you have time to work out each problem. Let's begin. Question number 1. Which expression is equal to 6 to the 4th power? Choice A is 10, B, 24, C, 4 to the 6th power, or D, 6 times 6 times 6 times 6. Question number 2. Select all the equations where x equals 3 is a solution. So you select all of them that apply. Select all equations where x equals 3 is a solution. X minus 3 equals 0. 1 plus x equals 2. 9 minus x equals 3. 6 equals 2 times x. 1/5 times x equals 3. Or x squared equals 9. Pause the video and do the work in your notebook. Question number 3. Which expression is equivalent to 20c minus 8d? Which expression is equivalent to 20c minus 8d? So this question is asking you to use the distributive property here. Let's look. We have 2 times 10c plus 4d, 4 times 5c minus 8d, 4 times 5c minus 2d, c times 20 minus 8d. Go ahead and pause the video and do the work. Question 4a. Here is an expression, 3 times 2 to the power of t. Evaluate the expression when t is 1. Pause and do the work. Question 4b. Here is an expression, 3 times 2 to the power of t. Evaluate the expression when t is 4. Remember your order of operations for the previous question and this question. There's something that you need to do first here. Go ahead and pause and do the work. Question 5. 2/9 of the students in school are in 6th grade. How many 6th graders are there in school if the school has 90 students? Enter your answer as a numerical answer. Go ahead and pause and do this first part. 2/9 of students in the school are in 6th grade. If the school has 90 students, how many 6th graders are there? All right, next part. How many 6th graders are there if the school has 27 students? Enter your answer as a numerical answer, which just means a number. Okay. Next one, if a school has X number of students, write an expression for the number of 6th grade students in terms of X. So again, you're using this first part, 2/9 of the students in the school are in 6th grade, to write an expression using X. Last one. How many students are in the school if 42 of them are sixth graders? Enter only a numerical answer. Go ahead and pause the video and do the work. Question number 6. Jada makes sparkling juice by mixing 2 cups of sparkling water with every 3 cups of apple juice. A, how much sparkling water does Jada need if she uses 15 cups of apple juice? Enter only a numerical answer in the box. Pause and complete part A. Okay, part B, we're looking at the same prompt up here. Jada makes sparkling juice by mixing 2 cups of sparkling water with every 3 cups of apple juice. How much apple juice does Jada need if she uses 6 cups of sparkling water? Enter only a numerical answer. And I suggest that you guys set up a table here. Part C, plot these pairs of measurements as points on the graph. So use your graph to plot the points of measurement. On the x-axis, we have cups of apple juice. And on our y-axis, we have cups of sparkling water. D, let S represent the number of cups of sparkling water and J represent the number of cups of apple juice. Write an equation that shows how S and J are related. So remember, equation has an equal sign. Go ahead and pause the video and finish up this problem. Question number 7. Mai poured 2/6 liters of water into a partially filled pitcher. The pitcher contained 10.4 liters. I'm sorry, let me read that again. Mai poured 2.6 liters of water into a partially filled pitcher. The pitcher then contained 10.4 liters. Which diagram, A, B, or C, represents this situation? A, B, or C? All right, let's take a look at the next part. Write an equation that represents this situation. Use X as your variable. So again, an equation contains an equal sign. Now, solve your equation that you wrote in the sketchpad provided. Explain what the solution to the equation means in this situation. Okay, and that brings us to the end of the test. So go back and review your answers, and you can go ahead and submit when you're finished. Thank you.